today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best AliExpress discount codes. These are going to save you big money, guys. It takes a few minutes to get your discount codes, and you can get up to, no, actually you can get over $100 off your next AliExpress order. It takes a few minutes, like I said, so let's get into it. I'm going to be recording my mobile phone, so just make sure you follow along, have your mobile phone to hand, and let's get you those AliExpress discount codes. Okay, so let's run through the tutorial and show you where you can get your AliExpress discount codes. You need to use your mobile phone for this and open up the internet and go to the following website, www.topdogcodes.com. So Top Dog Codes, guys, this website here, this is an awesome website. They save you a bunch of money across whatever you're essentially looking for. So go to the search bar at the top and just type in AliExpress. And this is the page you need to find, AliExpress coupons and deals. So I'm just going to click on that page and scroll down. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, you can get a $100 AliExpress promo code or in this case, a 50% off technology code. So you need to just choose a code that you think is going to be the most beneficial for you and click on show coupon. And you need to basically unlock your promo code, guys. These AliExpress discount codes are pretty popular, so this prevents people from basically taking and stealing all of the available codes. So I'm not going to run through the entire process because I don't actually need anything from AliExpress, and I want to save these limited codes for you. But you've got to tap unlock code, and then when this reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen appear, and it's going to tell you exactly how to get your code. It takes about 5 minutes. You just need to verify that you're a real person and just complete a couple of these free tasks, and that is it. It is super easy, and that is how you can save $100 off your next AliExpress order. So once you have your code, you can apply it in the basket or at checkout, and it's going to remove the cost. And you can see this has been highly rated, guys. So once you get your code, come back and you can officially rate it your 5 stars. So yeah, enjoy. Go to topdogcodes.com, follow these instructions, and enjoy your AliExpress discounts.